Experiencing missing channels on your Spectrum cable box is a common issue that usually stems from three main causes: filters, favorite settings, or your Spectrum plan itself. First, check your parental controls. Access the Settings menu, usually by pressing Guide, then Settings or Preferences, and ensure no content filters are accidentally blocking channels based on ratings. Next, review your favorites list. Bugs can sometimes cause non-favorited channels to disappear from the guide. Clear your favorites list or reset it to the default settings. Finally, confirm your Spectrum plan includes the channels you expect. Spectrum offers various tiers like TV Essentials, TV Select, TV Silver, and TV Gold. Channels like AMC or Nickelodeon aren't in the base plans without add-ons costing $5 to $10 per month extra. Verify your plan on the Spectrum app or website. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, try a hard reset of your Spectrum cable box. Unplug the box from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary software glitches. Ensure your cable connections are secure, as weak signals can cause channels to drop. Check that the coax cable from the wall outlet is firmly connected to your receiver. Make sure your box is activated through your MySpectrum account to receive the full channel lineup. Outdated boxes may also struggle with recent updates and dynamic channel lineups. If problems persist after these steps, contact Spectrum support directly at 1-888-573-5788. Be prepared to provide your account information and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. With the trend toward streaming, consider exploring Spectrum's hybrid options that blend traditional cable with their TV app for mobile access. If you're still having issues, it might be time to consider a plan upgrade or even explore streaming alternatives.